crime has been trending for the past number of year over the year, a year and a half to be exact. And kudos to the St. Catherine North have been doing a fairly good job. We have this upheaval ever so often because of the in-gang fighting, which is what people have come to understand. We're going into the Christmas season and we really would like to see nothing of the sort happen at this particular point in time. Business has been slow for a number of months. Back to school, during these periods, business tend to go down. Now it is time for us to start to see some returns on your investment. People are stocking up. We really would like to see more calmer sense of security that people can say, well, yes, things are happening. The security forces are out in numbers. They had an operation this morning down at the LOJ Center in that sort of area of the town, which is in itself a reassuring part of the whole aspect of the crime situation to the consumer that something is happening. And I think that the authorities, the police in particular, are trying to do their part of it to create that kind of atmosphere. And we hope that this will bring it down to the point where we'll see the season goes through uneventful. And we're hoping that that will happen.